Good evening, my friends. It is. Who else? What could it be but me, your friend, CryptoFace? And folks, I need you to love me. I don't need your like on this video. I'm not even asking you to subscribe. Just your love. Because we're in a little pickle. We're in a little pickle. You know, was fortunate to have that trade for the past week and a half. 2 weeks, however long it's been, I think a week and a half. And, you know, made it all the way up to 800,000, a quadruple duber. Ended out closing out while I was asleep for 600K. Yep, BITUNIX. That was a good one. But a good few hours ago, you know, fired off another barrel. Kind of went a little ham. Maybe got a little ahead of myself. Jumped the gun a little bit. And we're... need some prayers. God, I don't even want to show it. I don't even want to speak it. Hurts me to even have it roll off my tongue. But we're at about half of what I made in the red. Yeah. We're like 2,000 under 300,000 in the red. So, got it out. And, but it's not all doom and gloom, hopefully, you know. And I'm only shaking just because I'm, you know, and, you know, it's easy to look back when you're, you know, it's easy to criticize yourself when you're in the wrong and be like, God, shoulda, coulda, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's like in football, you know, when two teams, when the Patriots, the Tom Brady Patriots would play the Kansas City Chiefs or the Philadelphia Eagles early in the season and they would lose to them. When they would meet them in the Super Bowl, the Patriots had the advantage because they were able to learn more from their loss than, you know, a victory against that team. But, you know, as far as the small time frames, we'll start with, come on, load. You know, the 10-minute, sometimes this happens, money flow comes up and it dips down like one more lower, but then it comes back up. So that's really what I'm hoping for. Pray to Jesus. Pray to Jesus on Twitter, and I'm going to pray it right now. Dear Lord Jesus, if you would be so kind to help get me back to break even in or profit in this trade, I promise I will give $10,000 away to we're going to do a live stream. We'll do 10 people for 1,000 or 5,000, baby, bingo. And if not, that's okay. I understand. But if you could do that for me, Jesus, man, that would be so thankful. But again, if not, it's okay. Now, there's a lot of things being said, and you know, it is volatile. It is volatile right now. And so, you know, there's a couple bears popping up on the Twitter and whatnot, which is fine. But overall, I am still bullish as hell. There's going to be pullbacks for a day, maybe even sometimes 2 days. Like that's, you know, it's going to happen. But the 100% confirmation has been, I don't know when the first time we pegged it. Maybe it was like back here a couple weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. when the money flow, when it was the fourth time and 100% accurate, yeah, just right about here. Really, actually, really right where it's at kind of right now. So yeah, okay, so boom, right here. All right, so it's been 1, 2, 3, about 4 weeks. What were we at? 50K when that signal fired off. So since then, we've gone up, 20,000. So that's good. The only reason I'm squirming is because I cranked up the leverage a little bit. And that's just how the game goes, man. Love me. This video is copium. Oh, and I almost forgot. I have great news. Have you noticed anything different about this video? Does it look a little crispier, a little cleaner, a little sparklier? Because folks, we are no longer streaming or recording in 720p. Not even 1080p, but 1440. I finally figured it out how to do it. And so that's going to increase our algorithm. I also got a new monitor. This is beautiful. Just everything is so beautiful. I can't believe how important a good monitor is. But we're streaming in 1440. We're going to get in this YouTube algorithm. Please. Love me. Yeah. Okay, here we go. 6 hour, 4 hour. Come on. 2 hour. We really need this puppy to hitch. We need this puppy to hitch. Yeah, we're looking at low time frames right now. Low time frames. We're looking for this momentum. Boy, I hope this holds. I hope this holds, man. If this thing breaks down, oh gosh, I'm gonna be sick. Sick. And I feel like I just ate some Panda Express. I'm woozy. I'm woozy. And things could be worse. They could be worse, but they could look good. I mean, this could turn out okay. I hope it turns out okay. Listen, if you've shorted it, my hat's off to you. Excellent work. I'm wishing and hoping this money flow comes in. I mean, there's so much buying power of Bitcoin. But, no matter how bullish we are on Bitcoin, there are trading funds and powers that be. And they make money not with inaction and just holding. They make money trading. So this, no matter how bullish we are on Bitcoin, this is inevitable. It's going to continue happening. There will be pullbacks. But as of now, I think it's all good. I want to find this tweet that I posted. Let me pull it up here. I was in a fun little spaces with the altcoin brothers. So, we were talking about, I was talking about this chart. So here's the weekly that we pegged. 1, 2, 3. When the money flow for the first time was at these levels at the beginning of Bitcoin, 100% confirmation. And for the fourth time, it happened 3 or 4 weeks ago. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. This is the 1 week chart. Look at the top chart here. When we expand out to the 2 week, the money flow hasn't even gotten started yet. hasn't even gotten started yet. And I mean, if you measure the length of this wave and this wave, you're talking 1-2 years of overall upward movement. It's really exciting stuff. And to be honest, I'm kind of throwing out the super cycles and throwing out all of the halving, could dump the first time the halving, because fundamentally the game has changed. The rules have been broken. Printing 25% of the money supply in the past 2 years or whatever it was, 50%, 25%. I'm hearing different numbers. Just, it's different. It's not normal. And the fiat is so weak. You know, we're seeing it crumble. Inflation is so high. So high. What used to be an 89-cent beef burrito from Taco Bell is now $5.39. You know? So, while this is nice, you know, for the immediate short term, I'm struggling a little bit here. I'm flopping and groping a little bit here. I really don't want to lose 300,000, 400,000, 600,000. I really don't want that to happen. So I am putting it out into the universe. If we're able to come back from this and I'm able to at least break even or end up being profitable, man, if we can just have this come on back, just come on back. Dear Jesus, we're going to party in a good way in the name of your name. And that's all I have pretty much about what I have to say. Besides, we're streaming 1440p, so you can watch us on the big TV. And I appreciate you guys. You know what? Let's do this. Let's take a look. Some of you guys have just been absolutely on fire. Let's look at some logs in the profit logs. There was a guy who said he snapped his 103 trading streak in here. He was over 100 trades in the green. Look at these people. Even in these times, look at these people. Amazing. And people post their losses too. It's okay to post. When it says profit logs only, that doesn't mean only post profits. It's because we have a testimonials channel and a profit log. And the testimonials for testimonials and the logs for profit logs. Or you can post your loss log too. I don't want the two get mixed up. Testimonials is you write something with it. Profit log is post your profit log. But damn, some of you guys are killers in here. We look at these we got heavy hitters in here. We got guys making 6 figures all over the place. We got people posting shit like this with their P&Ls like this. I love seeing this stuff. And you know, we use this stuff, guys. We use this on the Market Cipher website. Good stuff. Great stuff. I appreciate you guys being active in showing your results and your stories. Keep it clean in here. I know we've got a good influx of new members. Don't be promoting stuff that I don't promote myself. Don't be promoting exchanges that I haven't gone through with the fine-tooth comb myself. There's a select few exchanges that I use that you can talk about. BitGet, ZOOMEX, LevX, PHEMEX. You can talk about Bybit too. Bybit's cool. Other than that, don't be recommending exchanges that I haven't approved, and there's reasons for it. Other than that, as much as I'd like to stream, I can't. There's just no way I'm going to sit on stream right now and deal with the pencil next coming in. But I'm letting you know, well, I was down almost 300,000. It's coming back up a little bit right now, but I'm in here. I'm out here. I'm sweating it. And as soon as this damn price, if be that as it may, if the Lord lets it be, come back to break even, we're going to party. We're going to, whether it's bingo or spinning some wheels, I'm going to give away $10,000. So please, give it a little prayer. And if you can say, please do it, Jesus. If you don't do it, though, I understand. And, you know, it's my fault. You know what I'm saying? So, other than that, that's it. This is copium for me. This is my outlet. You guys are my outlet. We're in 1440. Thank you. And I wish you good luck. And I'm sitting here looking like Chelino, my chameleon. My eyes are looking two different ways. And we're flopping and groping. And there's nothing we can do about it but sit here and hope. Salute.